How do you get bubbles out of resin? Can you get micro bubbles out of your epoxy? How do you get bubble-free epoxy? Working with epoxy means you're going to run into every epoxy project's nemesis, bubbles. Getting rid of those bubbles is easy. All you need is a little know-how and a couple tools in your arsenal. But why does your project have bubbles in the first place? Careless and aggressive mixing, pouring into porous materials, and bad pouring techniques are often the first culprits. To fix these beginner mistakes, just mix your material slowly and intentionally. If you're working with a porous material, give it a skim coat of epoxy first to seal any air that's inside. And finally, always pour slowly to avoid introducing more air than necessary. Once you've got those down, then you can try a couple techniques to help the process. Before mixing, place your bottles into a warm water bath with the caps on tight for 10 to 20 minutes. The warm water will thin the epoxy and make it easier for air to release and easier to mix too. Pouring your material into your mold at an angle will also ensure the air bubbles escape while your epoxy fills your mold naturally. Even with these techniques, you'll still want a trusty tool at your side to pop those surface bubbles in your pour. What tool? Well, that depends on the project and on you. Using a toothpick in smaller projects allows you to pop bubbles manually. This is an easy solution, but can be tedious in larger projects. Blowing on the surface is another option. Just make sure to stay away from the epoxy, using a straw or other tool to keep yourself at a safe distance. Surface tension holds those bubbles in your project. Using heat is a great way to release them. A heat gun is a great crafter's tool for many things, including popping bubbles. Move the heat gun across the surface briefly, about 3 to 4 inches away from the surface, and watch the bubbles go bye-bye. A hairdryer has a similar effect. Just make sure you mind the airflow. Hairdryers can push the epoxy around, affecting your project. You can also use a very fine, high percentage isopropyl alcohol mist to remove the air bubbles. Just make sure to avoid spraying the surface multiple times, as this will affect your finished surface. A butane or propane torch is our final and most aggressive option. Make sure to keep the torch away from your surface. Move it quickly as you briefly go across the surface. Just make sure you're aware of all the safety concerns that come with using an open flame in your space. Your projects deserve to be bubble-free, and you have all the know-how and tools to get rid of bubbles in epoxy. No matter what your project or your comfort level, there's a tool to make sure your epoxy project comes out bubble-free every time.